So many people come and tell me my job is very boring, or that I'm underpaid, I should be paid much more. This is all nice to listen and feel great, but think of it this way: if your job is boring, why do you still have the job? You still have the job because you need it, right? So get your priorities very clear. What do you want? You say, I want to live in Panvel, I don't want to travel more than half an hour, I should have a 45 lakh rupee job or a 50 lakh rupee job. Sorry, God stopped making them long ago. Those jobs are today not available, not near where you stay. Yes, then you will have to work in Lower Parel. You will have to take the trouble of taking a train or a bus or a car or whatever from Panvel to Lower Parel and work there. So 4 hours will be lost in travel. You cannot escape all that. So you have to have your priorities correct as to what should be your priority. Do you not mind travel? Do you want a lesser paying job? You cannot have all of that coming to you at in the same package, right? So you have to be sure what you want. How much money you make in your life is a function of, or how much of happiness you have is a function of your job, the money that you make, the family life that you have, your attitude, the friends that you have, and each of it is a positive integer. So into one of them becomes zero and you're dead, right? So that can't happen. The advantages and disadvantages is, people think of life in segments. I want this segment good, I want that segment good. That doesn't really happen. So you say, I will not travel more than half an hour, that's fine. I will want to earn at least 12 lakhs, but it's okay if I earn less than 15 lakhs, that's fine. I want to be home by 7 p.m. to be with my kids, that's fine. My job should be very interesting. I will not travel outside, I will not travel for overnight trips, but I will definitely not travel abroad. I don't even have a passport, that's fine. But don't try to find everything in the same job. That is what will not happen. All these conditions should be ignored if your priority is different. So you say, I want to make money, so nothing else matters. So I'm happy to go to Russia, I'm going to happy to go to Saudi Arabia, I'm happy to go to Bahrain, anywhere. I'll go and live there. The life conditions don't matter as long as they pay me money. I don't care if there is nobody, if I can't find good food, doesn't matter. I will compromise on all that. So at least you should have one priority clear. You can't have this and this and this and this, right? So you want high job security, look for a government job. But it won't be interesting, it could be boring, it could be a bad boss, you could get transferred left, right and center. But yeah, if you get a government job, you have security. Very unlikely that you will get sacked, right? So you want a high salary, then you need an MNC job, and that MNC might expect you to travel 5 days a week, and then they'll say, oh, it's just a Saturday, why can't you fly back on a Saturday morning, why do you fly on a Friday night? And so aapka Saturday kha gaya. Or they'll say, Monday morning we fixed up a meeting at 9 o'clock, I think it's safer to fly on a Sunday night. Now Sunday night flight means Sunday afternoon is gone, because you'll have to leave by 4 o'clock or 4:30 to go to the airport and take a flight, etc., right? So therefore that you will have to compromise on all that. So, well, you got an MNC job and it is paying you well, but it is also demanding, it is very taxing. You want nice working hours, then you have to be a senior employee in a company. You can't be a junior employee. Junior employees don't work to nice working hours. Nice working hours are reserved for senior management, so you better get old and then you might be able to get something like that. So in most cases, you know the full story, right? So what you do, how you prioritize, and what is your priority, whether you are willing to travel out of the country, whether your family is important, and if you're a woman, whether you're willing to travel alone. All those questions have to be answered. Then you say, okay, these 1, 2, 3 are my topmost thing. I will not drink, I will not smoke, I will not travel, I will not entertain people, nothing of that I will do, but I still want a sales job selling high-tech machines. May be difficult, may not be difficult, but at least decide what you will do and what you will not do. Find out the culture, look for a job like that, and then you realize that these are some of the constraints that you took upon yourself. You said, I will not do this kind of work, therefore you have not got it. It is not that you've done anybody a favor. You made the choice. So remember, if you made the choice, live with it. Thank you.